Hey everybody, it's me and Oilik here at the ocean. What a beautiful day. Check it out. Oh, I guess that's a little sunny, but you can kind of get the idea. It's a beautiful sunny day, not too breezy. Anyways, I'm here to talk about the vlogs you're about to see. Um, it took 16 days to travel from LA to Florida in February of 2007. I was having double knee replacement surgery on the 19th of March, and it was a time that will change my life. So, what's happened is. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the first installment of my video blog, Sandy Knees a Break. I'm going to be documenting my journey from beautiful sunny Southern California and the Pacific Coast all the way to South Florida and the Atlantic Coast, where I'm going to be having double knee replacement surgery. In the process, you're going to see my trip from California to Florida, which is going to take approximately 2 weeks, the preparation, my thoughts, and my hopes for the surgery. I'm hoping to be able to show you some of the actual surgery, really gory, beautiful, bloody, yucky stuff. And then my rehabilitation. Along the way, you're going to meet some interesting people, and you're going to see some interesting insights into me and my life. And hopefully you're going to see me shrink before your very eyes. That is my plan anyways. So I hope you enjoy. So sit back and relax, and I will send you more as time progresses. Thanks for coming by. Tell your friends, and have a great day. Bye.